All right, now let's talk about move number 7 in 30 moves to 30K for your first deal system. Move 7 is very important. If you've never done a flip deal before, get a coach. Please, for the love of God, do not do this on your own. Get a coach. Do not depend on YouTube University because it will only get you so far. Case in point, I did a deal with a partner earlier this year, actually. And as we got into the deal, he turned to me and he said, Frank, if I was doing this on my own, I'd be dead. Like it would be game over. He'd be lost, totally throwing money away and it was not even that difficult a project. The reality is people think because I live in a house, therefore I know real estate. The reality is there's a lot more that goes into this fix and flip game than just, oh, I've lived in a house, therefore I am experienced. I'll ask the guys at Home Depot, or I'll ask my friend, or I'll ask YouTube University. It will help, but it's very rare to get you the whole way there. The price of someone that's been there before, experienced, is pennies compared to the amount it will save you. But the laundry list of people that made mistakes that cost them tens, if not hundreds of thousands and more, is never ending because they didn't have the right coach. I've personally been in those shoes, so I will vouch for that, which is why I'm a strong proponent, if I can talk correctly here, I am a strong proponent of making sure you get a coach. Someone, and don't just get any coach, get a coach that has been to the darkest places and lived to tell about it. Because if all they've done is had success, what's going to happen when you have a problem? Can they help you? Probably not. No. The best coaches I know, they've been through it. The most successful people I know, they have been through it. Like they didn't just have like a little bump in the road. I mean, they have been through it. And those people are just an infinite amount of value to you in your business, in your journey, and the amount of help they will give you will far, far outweigh any price, quite frankly, you could pay them. So get a coach, make sure it happens. Last thing, what if you don't have money for a coach? You like literally would love to do it, but you just can't. Two things. A, figure out some payment plan where you could do something, or two, partner. Okay, find someone that's very experienced to partner with. Again, but same qualities, right? They've been through it, they've seen good, they've seen bad, they understand it, and they're good communicators, meaning, and they're willing to teach. Because, okay, just some people you partner with, they're not really willing to teach. Some people you partner with, they don't really want to be super helpful, and not because they're bad people, but they may not come natural to them. They might be too busy. They may say yes in a rush, right? Like you got to make sure it's a good partnership. And so there's a number of factors that go into that. So if you can't pay for a coach, get a partner, whatever. I encourage you to not do it alone. Your chance of success will go up exponentially when you have that person in your corner helping you out, and the emotional support and the confidence will grow much, much faster. So, with that, I'll see you in the next move.